Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So far what I've done, I've fixed a whole lot of problems, including the notification and the problem that was coming from the payment. And anytime I created a payment and order, there was an error with the Kafka. So I fixed both of them, and the only one left is the winning bid, and I've got it to a point where the winning bid is working, but I've got to also fix that Kafka topic problem. So see, I don't think I can get the error. What was the error in Kafka? Yeah, so this is the error. It says error while determining the winning bid for that product, and then the error is can't serialize data winning bid, and then it gives you all the details and that. And I know what the problem is, because the details that we are using, like the bid winning confirmation that we are using, the data that we are sending has to match the same way from the producer. So when we send the producer details and all that details, when a person wins a bid, we send all those details, and it has to match exactly the same details we are receiving here. Otherwise you get these serialized and whatever problem. All right, so I did fix the one for the payment, one for the order, and that works. So I understand what the problem is. And so what I've done is I've made sure that I've got these details that I want for the bid, right? And back down in the product service, I'm just gonna scroll down to the product. I didn't want to do this, but this also has to match the exact one that we've got back up there in the notification service. So if I run back to the notification service, and if I can continue doing this, right? So this is it, and we've got an error doing this because consumer needs to match that particular record. Yeah, so if I can close everything down and we'll mess around with this. So we go that one. I think the next one is the user bid, username. Forget about this one because there is no such thing as product. So we got user email. We got to get rid of that one. I think this one comes username confirmation dot I think email goes last. So let's see, we've got first name, last name, email. You have to try and match it, because otherwise you get the error. First name, last name, and then email comes after that. Just get this one and cut that one. I'm just using my laptop thingy here, and it's a bit so first user first name, user last name. Okay, so this are okay, and then we want that one and product. So I think it's probably product, that one, and this one okay, so let's just check what it is. We got big decimal, we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. What's the problem? It's expected 5 arguments, but got 7. So that means this one is expecting 5 but got 7. So if we could probably jump onto that one and tell it to give it more than that. So let's try to arrange it properly. So I'm gonna do this offline, and then I'm gonna come back because it's gonna prolong. So I'm gonna try and rearrange this and make it match the other one and give it all the stuff that it needs. I'll be right back. Okay, fix the problem, but I also realized that I should rather use winning bid ID for the data that I want to send, because if I could get back to, I haven't got all the tools. I'm using my mouse, my laptop mouse, so I can't jump here and jump here the way I want to. The reason why I want to do that is because this winning bid confirmation is actually a winning bid data, not a bid data. So a winning bid data will have a winning bid ID, so I need to bring that one forward. So I'll fix it in the products, down in the product, and the way that I'll fix it is actually inside the confirmation. And we need to make sure that when we make a confirmation, we also want to send bid winning ID. So let me just copy this one, copy that one, and I'm just gonna add it here. So we can add the bid, but we want the bid winning ID, because the bid winning ID is created on yeah, so we record the winner of the bid. So you have lots of bidders, but you need to record the winner of the bid to get the details. So we've got the bidding ID over here, but I think in here we also need to update here. So we got bid ID, so let's go higher ID, highest bid, and we want bid ID, which we cannot get at the moment because let me just paste this one here. No, you don't want to do that, paste that one, and let me just get rid of a few things, T and then W. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll come back to that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to update it, change this one. So this is the highest bid and it's a type of bid, so I'll rather have it as a type of winning. And I'm just gonna go like this, and W winning bid, and let me just see if I've got it right. Winning bid, hopefully it will work. There won't be any issue, but I obviously need to do quite a bit of stuff here. So what is he saying? So it's saying we want to provide it a type of that, but so let me see if I can just say this. So it is rather get just check this one, and what we want is winning amount. So get back to here and paste that one there, but see if this one can be a capital, and hopefully that works. And then what's he saying? He's saying non-stack email cannot be referenced from a static context. Is the right one? Oh, I see. I'm doing something wrong somewhere. So let me just paste it back in and do this one. Okay, because it's still saying option bid. I'm going to fix this because I need to add all these details. the get and no exception because of what. Yeah, I'll find out. Winning bid, so this one is highest bid, winning bid. Okay, we leave that one, and then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass this one to here, this variable. But we need to give it more than this, isn't it? Because the winning bid needs all that information, including the email address and all that stuff, because I've changed it in products. But if you go into winning bid, we need email address and all that, so we need to pass that one on as well. Go back to where we were. Where am I fixing this? It's a lot of problems to fix, and it's gonna prolong, so I'll be right back. I need to finish it up here, so we'll pick it up in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you then.